So check out their awesome Gladiator. Check out this nice Tacoma with 74 weld portals. Nice. They even got the Camberg lower control arms. Here is Jock. Look at this. This is all their stuff here. Look at all the nice, cool flexi flex that it's doing. Here is Bill Stein's Unimog. We see this a lot. Look at this SEMA 2024 Forerunner. Here is the awesome Surf Edition here. I really like this Forerunner here. Rigged Supply. Oh wow, look at this nice Forerunner here. Look at the tailgate. They got the tent. Wow, they even got the carbon fiber fenders with the King shocks, with the KC lights, with the carbon fiber hood. We're now here at the 74 Weld booth, and check out all their cool trucks with portals. Here's a nice Tacoma with the 74 Weld portals. Oh, here's a nice Forerunner with the portals right here. Oh, it even has a 74 Weld upper control arm. And then check out this Ranger right here. Look at this with the 74 Weld portals over there with the Baja Designs with the tent. There's their portals right there. And check out this awesome Land Cruiser here with the 74 Weld portals. Wow, feels like a lot of trucks here got portals, guys. This is clean with the Baja Design lights, with the roof rack, with the side steps, with the Icon suspension. Wow, they have some nice Land Cruisers here. Wow, look at this 90s Land Cruiser. Oh, that's clean. And then we got this classic Land Cruiser here. Land Cruiser pickup that they converted into an Overland. Here is another clean Land Cruiser, the new gen. And it looks like this has 74 Weld portals. So check out this cool Land Cruiser here. This is nice with the Icon wheels, with the Asphere side steps, the carbon fiber roof tent right there. We got this Forerunner carrying this dome tick trailer. Oh, this is so cool. This is how the front looks like here. It's a nice Forerunner here. Here's some nice cool Jeeps here. Wow, look at this, all rock jocked out. Here's a two-door Jeep. Here's another two-door Jeep. Wow, this is clean with the PRP seats. Nice roll cage too. And parked in front of us, look at that cool Westin wide body Bronco right there. So here is a nice Overland Bronco here. It has a nice, this is Jada wrap, XCOM tires, ADD bumpers. Look at his trail arm on the top. It's different. Tri-Trek. This is cool. Overland Bronco. Oh, look at this nice Attica Bronco with some KC lights and a roof rack. Look at his wheels here. It's nice. Oh wow, look at that. All used. His side steps with ride shocks. Oh, here's a nice Forerunner here. Look at this with their beadlock wheels here, with a carbon fiber hood. Oh, this is nice. Wow, check this out. We got the classic Overland here. Damn, this is nice. Look at this, all fully restored. And then you got this 6x6 here. Wow, this is crazy. Damn, this is nice. Yeah, with the roll cage too. Oh, damn. 6x6, guys. Oh, with the Recaro seats? Nice. Wow. And then you have this nice vintage four-door Defender here. Look at this nice DV8 Bronco here. Oh, look at their new front bumper. That's nice. And this is how the rear looks like on this Bronco Raptor DV8 bumper. Man, this is a nice clean build. Oh shoot, it even has lights on top of the roof rack. Nice. Here is a nice International Scout with Baja Design lights and Warn winch. Here is our friend's Forerunner. This was at SEMA at the Race Wheels booth. Yeah, and here is their Lexus GX Overlander here. This is nice. Yeah, nice livery.
It looks like dirt.
Yeah, it looks like dirt, but it's not dirt. And then they're cleaning this one up. Oh, they got the awning, roof rack, everything. Hey, check out this nice Ineos Grenadier. Wow, look at this, all matted out with the Baja Design lights, with the awning. This is clean with the King shocks. And this is how the rear looks like. And check out this WRX here. Wow, this is clean. Here's a nice 4Runner here on top of a boulder. Nice setup. Check out this huge truck here, guys. The Nomad Adventures 360. Damn, look at this. This is so cool. Viking R Overland, and they have an Everglades Bronco there. This nice Bronco here. Here is Sleet Off-Road, and check out their builds here. Here's a nice Lexus GX built here. Here's a nice Land Cruiser built here. And look at this nice clean Bronco here with the KC lights. Look who parked beside us. It's a cool Scout. That is so nice. And here is our neighbor to our driver's side. It's a nice Bronco. Not sure if it's part of the show, but here's one right here. There's a cool Bronco with Anderson Composite, was that doors? Yeah, so this is Max's tires. That is so cool. ARB here, ARB booth. They are now done setting up. Here's a nice 4Runner here. Here's a nice classic Land Cruiser. Here is their Tacoma ARB edition. Here's a nice Tundra. Lexus, all 74 weld out. This is nice with the Icon wheels. Oh wow, look at this truck here. It looks like it's on portals too. 74 weld portals. Look how high this is. This Bronco was right beside us, parked beside us at SEMA. Here's MB Quart. Here's their 2-door Bronco. Oh, we have a black Rhino here. Here's all their black Rhino wheels. Oh, this is a nice Land Cruiser setup here. Here's their nice booth 4Runner here. All right, here's Predator tires. Here's a nice Land Cruiser built. Here's a nice Tacoma Tundra built. We actually saw this at one of the events. It is a 2-door custom Land Cruiser, so that's nice. Here is Baja Designs. Check out their nice 4Runner built here. This is clean. Ragu Fabrication. Here's their Lexus built here. Nice, all Ragu Fabrication out. Here is C4 Fabrication. All right, so we're here at the 1552 wheels, and check out their awesome 4Runner here with portals, 74 weld portals. Nice. Look guys, check out that nice Bronco right there, all ARB out. All right, we're actually visiting our friend's awesome Subaru here at the Kumho Tires. And here's his build right here. Look at that, that is so cool. We actually just checked this Grenadier, and wow, look at this. All leathered out. This is nice. Oh, they even have a molly system here. Damn, everything's all leathered out. Oh shoot, they even got a tent up there too. Here's their awning, and here is the driver's seat. Oh wow, even the floor mats. It's by Storyteller Overland. So check this out, we actually saw this at SEMA. This is the Pivotal Helix. Look at this, all carbon fibered out. Plain. Look at that, carbon fiber propellers, carbon fiber wing, chassis, everything. This is so cool. And here's their booth right here. And check out these cool classic Scouts here. Oh, that's nice. So this is our to-go special at 5 Crowns. So we got their biggest cut here.
Yeah.
I forgot what it's called, but it's the largest cut that you can get. And it comes with their bread right there, their sauce. Here's another bread right there with their butter. All right, so we got the lobster bisque. We got the spinach. We got their corn and the sauce. And then we got our water. And check this out. We're here in Corona del Mar in a picnic. Check out our view here. Look at this. We got the Pacific Ocean right there. And it's sunset right now too. So, okay, let's do this.
You can ride looking like a superfly disco. You can ride looking like a superfly disco.
Just go back straight. Just straight. There